Hi viewers, welcome to Shaker's Bio Factory for NEET. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notification. In this video, I am going to explain some of the general characters of phylum Chordata along with its classification. Presence of notochord is the important fundamental characteristic feature of all chordata members. The notochord is nothing but it is a longitudinal, flexible, solid rod of cells. It can support the main axis of organism body. Presence of notochord is the fundamental character of all chordata members. But this notochord, it may be present during embryonic stage or adult stage of organism life cycle. If it consists of notochord in either embryonic stage or during adult stage, such animals are kept under phylum Chordata. Along with notochord, presence of dorsal hollow nerve cord is the another fundamental character of all chordata members. This nerve cord, it is present at a dorsal side with hollow nature, and this nerve cord is derived from ectoderm during embryonic development. Along with this, these organisms, especially at the pharynx region, it consists of a paired pharyngeal slits. Such type of pharyngeal slits are present in either adult stage or even in embryonic stage of organism. Is also one of the another fundamental character of all chordata members. All chordata members consist of post-anal tile. So it is the anus, and after this anus it consists of a tail part is called post-anal tail. Is also one of the fundamental character of all chordata members. Along with fundamental characters, these members have some general characters like presence of bilateral symmetry. So all chordata members can divide into two equal halves with one plane which pass through their central axis. All these members have different body parts. These are derived from three germ layers are called triploblastic animals. These members having body cavity belongs to coelomate animals and having organ system level of organization with a different organ system to perform different functions of their body. These members having circulatory system, but this circulatory system is closed type. So these are the important fundamental characters of phylum Chordata. When we compare both chordata with the non-chordates, other than chordata members, we can find some differences. First category is chordate characters and second category is non-chordate characters. First difference, all chordata members consist of notochord in their body, even in either embryonic stage or in adult stage. But in non-chordates, such type of notochord is completely absent. All chordata members consist of central nervous system, especially at a dorsal side. It consists of nerve cord with hollow nature, but it is single. But in non-chordata members, the central nerve cord is ventral side and it is solid and double in nature. The third difference, at the pharynx region, it consists of gill slits. These gill slits are present in either embryonic stage or adult stage of all chordates. But in non-chordates, such type of gill slits are absent. In all chordata members, heart is present with either 2 chamber, 3 chamber or 4 chambers. But this heart present at ventral side. But in non-chordates, such heart is absent. Sometimes if it have heart, this heart present at dorsal side. Presence of post-anal tail is the important character of all chordates. But in non-chordates, such type of post-anal tail is completely absent. So these are some of the important differences in between chordates and non-chordata members. The phylum Chordata, again it divides into three subphyla. In this, the first subphyla is Urochordata, is also called Tunicata. Second subphyla is Cephalochordata. Third subphyla is Vertebrata. In this, the subphylum Urochordata and Cephalochordata members, these are also referred to as Protochordata members because these are primitive chordata members. And both Urochordata and Cephalochordata members are exclusively growing only in marine habitat. The subphyla Urochordata and its characters. In the name Urochordata, Uro means tail, chordata means notochord. These members consist of notochord in tail of their larva only. Some of the examples like Acidia, Salpa, Doliolum, these are example for Urochordata members. In Urochordata members, the notochord is present only in larval tail only. But this notochord is not seen in adult organism. Due to having of notochord in the tail of larva, these are named as Urochordata. The Urochordata members are also called as Tunicata because all these members are surrounded by a cellulosic organic layer is called tunicate. So due to having of this layer, these Urochordata members are also called Tunicata. Next subphylum, it is Cephalochordata. In the name Cephalochordata, cephalo it means head, chordata means notochord. So these are the members having notochord from head to tail. So the notochord starts from head and it is extended from head to tail region, and such type of notochord is persistent, permanent. It is present throughout their life. So presence of notochord from head to tail is the main important character of Cephalochordata members. Some of the examples like Brachiostoma, it is example for Cephalochordata. So in this video we discussed the subphyla Urochordata and Cephalochordata. In next video we will talk about Tunicata, its characters and further classification. Thanks for watching.